Today, let's crochet this cute little dumpling bag. Pull the drawstring to open it, and store small items like earphones or sachets. It's both pretty and practical. You'll need Susan's Family 4-ply yarn, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Crochet with double strands held together. Yarn over and tie a knot. Make 28 chain stitches. Complete it by joining the beginning and ending with a slip stitch in the first chain. Start with 1 chain stitch, then work a single crochet in each chain stitch. Work a round, totaling 28 stitches. Complete this round by joining with a slip stitch to the first single crochet stitch. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the second round, work a single crochet first, then insert the hook below the second stitch, and work a single crochet. This creates a back loop single crochet. Continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 back loop single crochet to complete this round. Finish by joining with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the third round, work a back loop single crochet first. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with a back loop single crochet. 1 single crochet. Repeat to complete this round. For rounds 4-16, repeat the pattern from rounds 2-3. Complete and join with a slip stitch. Start with 1 chain stitch, fold it in half. Pick up the front loop and slip stitch. Finish crocheting, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Turn to the side and fold in half. 14 stitches on each side. Insert the hook into the 14th stitch from left to right. Bring the yarn over. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch for 14 single crochets. Complete and start with 1 chain stitch. Turn the fabric over. Rows 2-17, work even with 14 single crochets. Complete and fold it in half. Bring the yarn over, start with 1 chain stitch, pick up the front loops on both sides and work a slip stitch. Complete and chain 1, cut the yarn, switch to white yarn for the lace trim. Insert the hook into the corner of the flap, start with 1 chain stitch, then insert the hook into the space between the rows and work a slip stitch. Chain 1, continue with 1 slip stitch in the next row, chain 1, repeat until the end. Slip stitch at the corner when completed. Cut the yarn, crochet a rope of suitable length and thread it through the bag. Finally, add your favorite decorations to complete